Replacing your Apple Watch band? Here's the fastest way to do it. Place your watch face down on a soft cloth. Flip it over and locate the two small release buttons on the back. Hold the button and slide the band sideways to remove it. Do the same for the other side. Now grab your new band, make sure the inner side is facing you, and slide it in until you hear a click. Give it a light tug. If it doesn't move, you're good to go. Quick, simple, done. Remember, like and follow for more fast tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Apple Watch.